Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, if you're looking to build a merch site for whatever business you have, we can do that all on one page. That paired with dynamic shopping will give your customers an amazing experience that they never have to go page to page. So let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is set our homepage. To do that, we go over here to Settings, Reading, and we're going to click this option, Static Page. This will give you a list of your pages. Have a sample page, you will choose what page you like. Now hit Save Changes. Now we need to start editing the page. So on your left, Pages, All Pages, Sample Page. To help build out this website quickly, we're going to use some pre-made blocks made from WooCommerce. If you find these blocks, you just go up here and hit the plus. Patterns. Scroll down to the bottom of Patterns for all patterns. Now there's a whole bunch that you can pick from, but we're just going to focus on WooCommerce and select from here. We're going to click this as our landing area. And to change the image, simply go to Replace, Media. Now you can upload or choose from your existing library. We'll go ahead and grab a photo. I'm just going to align these center. Also going to change this color. Big fan of blue. White text. I'll also make it rounded edges. And cover block, you can even move where this image is focused. On the middle. As you can see, it's easy to change these blocks. They're already built for you, and you just add the content you want. Add another section. You need to hit this plus here, or again, hit this blue plus here. Patterns, WooCommerce, or open the big one. We're gonna have this one. Change the images. Some of our products. And again, you can go and change all these if you like. Now to make the single page shop concept work, we're going to use a block called the All Products block from WooCommerce. It comes with the install of WooCommerce for free. So let's get building. First, we're going to need a group block. And then we're going to add the All Products. Now this block is very powerful because it will not change what page you're on ever. And it will load in new products if they hit arrow. Or you can increase the rows to show all your products. You can even increase the columns. I think 3 is a good sweet spot. Now, depending on what theme you have, you may have other options to change how this looks. To use my theme, you're going to have center button on all image on that one. Now we have a button up here, but we want it to link us to this section here. Do that. If you have the all products block selected, you want to select the group blocks. Click on this advance in the bottom of your block section. Anchor. And go up to the button. Edit the URL. Hashtag shop. Save that. Now if we go to the front page, we click on this button, takes right to the shop. So now we're going to edit the single page template. Get rid of the title, this, and just so it's the menu up here. So to do that, you hit edit site. Look into the page because it takes you right to the one you want to edit. And I like going with the list view, seeing what blocks are what. I'll delete that. And we're going to delete the spacing. Save. Now we're going to edit this header. I'll show you how to get to it on its own so it's not linked into this page. Click the WordPress icon, click header, and now we're just editing the header. Now we're going to add a mini cart. I prefer it to be all next to this right hand section up by the menu. So to do that, we're going to have to clump these together. So we're going to add a group block. It's going to be a row. And now we're going to open up list view because it's easier to do all this than the list view. We're going to drop that in there, the navigation, that row, move it over. Now we're going to add a mini cart plus mini, the mini cart that comes with WooCommerce. Back to our list view. We're going to put our mini cart there. Over. Now you can change the look of this. Clicking on the settings, and they have 3 options built in with WooCommerce. You can display a price or not. You can also change its color. So if you want everything to be black, we'll change the color. Now we'll just set it back to the color it was. Save. And there you go. Now you have your shopping cart in the header. All right, now let's look at the home page. Back out, visit site. All right, now we're on our home page. As you can see, we have our mini cart. Hit the button that will take us directly to our shop. That paired with dynamic shopping gives your customers amazing shopping experience all on one page. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.